Good morning. In this video we will see how to connect AC with Alexa. The first step is to connect your AC with Smart ThinQ. As you can see, we have already connected this AC with Smart ThinQ with my Gmail account. So now we will see how to connect to Alexa. Open the Alexa app, click on these three lines, then go to skills and games. Here search ThinQ, as we have to link ThinQ with Alexa. You can see ThinQ is there. Click ThinQ. Click on LG ThinQ Basic. Select enable to use. Login with Google account. Login with the same account you have in ThinQ. As I was having Gmail account, so I will select my Gmail account. As you can see, it is now showing LG ThinQ Basic has been successfully linked. Press the cross button. Once the setup is complete, now we will see Alexa, turn off the air conditioner. So now our AC is connected to Alexa and we can control like switch off, switch on, or control the temperature. Alexa, turn on the air conditioner. Alexa, set air conditioner temperature 18. So this is how you can control your air conditioner using Alexa.